Hi everyone, so we are going to look at some of the really great deals at Hobby Lobby because at 90% off, you can use a lot of these products throughout the year in all of your crafting. So we're going to start off with these acrylic blanks because at 49 cents, why not stock up on it? And like I said, each store is a little bit different. Some are like way stocked. The very first store that I went to was really stocked. Like I wasn't expecting the second store to be so empty because that one was so stocked. But every store is a little bit different. Some of you don't even need to go to the store. You probably already picked it up, so it's already in your craft room. So acrylic blanks, those can be used throughout the year, Valentine's Day, or with your regular crafting. Next up are these wooden beads. So earlier on when I started crafting, I probably would not have any use at all for these wooden beads, but a lot of you know that I do like to pick up the Michaels grab bags, and wooden beads were in there, and so I had to find a use for them. So it's really great. You can use them as a little stand, little feet to projects that you're working on. So I made these products right here, these crafty projects right here, and they are actually from products that most people would probably throw away. So these are some of the ornament containers, sticker containers. So I have a craft room full of this. So expect a lot of those type of videos because I really need to organize my craft room. And I think there was a time for a few months that I was really good at posting an organization video once a week, but I think that might be a little too much. So maybe once a month. And in terms of the projects, I really wanted to create a lot of these really cute boxes that you can use for packaging and Happy Mail. So once upon a time, I was thinking maybe I could create my own handmade ornaments and put it in here. And yeah, so now we're in 2026. So I don't know, maybe I'll try to create a handmade ornament once a month, I think, because that way I can use the supplies that I picked up because I did pick up a lot of supplies. I really wanted to work on the ornaments. And then once a month, I'll show you some of the things that you can use to package your Happy Mail in. So I was really happy to find this type of cardstock. These were the 3 type of cardstocks that I found. And I'm really happy to find more of the nativity one. And this is really great because, for a lot of my friends and family, I like to use the nativity scene. And it's actually really nice because I think I used maybe 5 sheets, and you can fussy cut a lot of these images out. So a lot of the ornaments, I was able to do that. And it's a lot of different layers. And I probably should have used some foam dots to give the landscape a little more dimension. That would have been really cute. So super happy to have found this paper pad because I believe that they kind of created this paper pad yearly. I do have a few of these, so it's always really nice to have the same set so you can make a few the same items. They also, at the beginning of the year, I picked these ones up way early. I picked these sets up at 40% off, but I did use the pink one for the one with the Hello Kitty on it. So if you're still finding these paper pads at your store, let us know in the comments down below because your store is still really stocked at that point. Let's go move on to this right here. So a lot of really great gems that you'll be able to find. I did pick up some charms, but I don't know where those went. But anyways, look in the jewelry. No, not in the jewelry section. It's not there anymore. They're all kind of all together in one area. So if your store still has them, it's really great. Red beads, green beads, these can all be used throughout the year. Twisty ties, red, white, that can be used throughout Valentine's Day, but the green can also be used through Easter and spring. And I want to say the green really helped me a lot because I had to create this tree topper and my star just wouldn't stay up because, the top of the tree is pretty flimsy. And so I created my own little tree topper, and then I used the twisty ties to kind of keep it on there so it wouldn't fall. And it worked out beautifully. What else do we have here? Next up, we have a variety of confetti, glitter pebbles, foam, a lot of these type of items. You already know that if it comes in a bag, I usually like to organize it into these bottles. And I have a huge crafty collection of this, which you guys probably already know is my most favorite form of organization. So I'll link that video to the end of this video if you need more information about the bottles, pricing, and all that other good stuff. But the bottles are found at Michaels. Now, normally these pebbles, I would think, okay, it's going to go into a shaker mix, but they're actually a little bit larger. So, you could definitely use that for the center of your flowers. And again, I had this huge project all the flowers cut up already, and you know, it's just sitting in my craft room, and I have a lot of those projects. So 2026, the year of the crafter, I am going to try to get a lot of those projects done. I am going to organize my craft room so I can find everything, and finding all these really great deals at Hobby Lobby is definitely going to help me stock up in my craft room. So let me know in the comments down below, because each store is a little bit different. Sometimes when I watch haul videos, it's into March and people are still finding like these items in their clearance aisle, but for the most part, you know, some stores, again, are well stocked more than others. But let me know in the comments down below, how well stocked is your store, if it's even stocked. And if not, you know, if you have a lot of these products already just kind of sitting there, which tends to happen to us crafters, you know, we buy a lot of stuff and then we keep it out and then we kind of forget about it, and the next year comes around and we buy the exact same products because we don't want to look for it. That's me. Like, I will buy the same thing and I'm like, you know what? I'll look at my craft situation. If it's a little bit like not organized, I'm like, okay, I'm just going to go to the store and pick it up because it's a lot easier that way. But I am definitely going to try to get more organized this time around. And here is another product that you might not pick up as a crafter. These are grease-proof cookie cards. Like, what? But there's a lot of it. It's really thick and shiny. Definitely also can be used for Valentine's Day crafting. But the nice thing about this is, you know, when you have like the foam dots, sometimes when you put it on like other material, it'll kind of like rip that material. This is nice because you can put a foam dot on there, you can make embellishments, and it comes off really clean and really nicely. The store actually had a whole bunch of this, which I did not pick up because I only picked up one because I didn't know that I was going to use it for this. So if you're at the store and you see this and you are a crafter, this is definitely really nice to have. It'll save you time in making the backing cards for all of your packaging. I bought this because, you know, you can definitely store this in your craft room for a really, really long time. But then the more I looked at it, I was like, well, let me see. I might want to use it. I use like pencil for tracing all the time, and I was like, it's really cute. And then I broke it apart, and I'm like, you know what? You could probably use it on a pen if you wanted to make a pen. So it does have that little bottom portion of it. So it's up to you guys if you want to use it. But it's really cute because now you have like a whole bunch of like focal point type beads that you can use for your pens. So that was a really great find. And it's kind of funny. I feel like crafty MacGyver here in my craft room because as I make a lot of these videos, I look around in my craft room and I am pulling like incomplete projects out from everywhere. Like from a drawer, I'm like, okay, well, this pen's halfway done. Let me take that out. These flowers have been sitting in that corner since like forever. And I've like built them halfway. I have everything stacked together. I just need to put them together. And that's kind of like what my craft room is. Like, I have totes and totes of projects that I need to put together. Like these rosette pieces. I think maybe once upon a time, I cut the paper and I had everything aligned, and now they're just kind of like all mixed in. So I just picked up 4 random like pieces to put together right now. And then as you can tell, I'm like, it doesn't even line up. But you know, it's not as organized on this side. So you could always flip it over, which is really nice because it's looking like a huge snowflake, which is perfect. So use your foam stickers for the center of your rosettes. And if this was like a t-shirt box, but it's an 8.5 by 11 paper, this is how I would decorate it. And I think I showed some gift tags earlier in the video. This I picked up thinking I would use them as gift tags, but they are really flimsy, so I might have to double up the pieces of paper. And at the store, spring shop is in full bloom. So yes, it's winter cold like out here weather-wise, but yeah, it has a lot of really beautiful bright items at the store. So we shall be back for more goodies. So stay tuned, and I thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you all have a very wonderful day.